Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to download and get Roblox on your PCs. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is just head over to roblox.com. So we just type in Roblox here, and we'll head over to roblox.com. Once we're on roblox.com, we're going to have to sign up and make an account. So you can just go ahead and put your birthday here. So I'll just put a random one just for the tutorial's sake. And you just got to make a username, so we can go ahead and do that now. And then you just got to put a password. And then your gender. And then you just want to click on sign up. And you can just save that there. And then once you've logged into your new account here, you just want to go to a Roblox game that you want to download. So let's just say Piggy, for example. So just click on that, and then just click on the play button. And that should tell you that Roblox is now loading, get ready to play. So we'll just give this a second to load, and then it's going to tell us that we need to download and install Roblox. So we want to go ahead and click on download and install. The launcher will just pop up down here. Now all I have to do on this, just click on this, and then click on run. Then it'll just take a second to load and install. And as you can see there, Roblox is successfully installed. So we can just click on the play button on any game to join the action. So just click on OK, and then you can go ahead and click on this play button right here. And then just open Roblox. And then it'll just start Roblox right here for us. And as you can see, Roblox is now open, Piggy's open. So just go ahead and click on play, and we'll be able to actually play the game now and just use our keyboard and stuff like that. Anyhow, I hope I was able to help you guys out with downloading Roblox and starting it up. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.